सबसे पहले अमन आउट हुआ, देन अनुपम आउट हुआ, देन नमिता आउट हुई. वी गाइस वर वेरी नर्वस कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा, वी हैव टू गेट द डील कैसे भी करके नाउ. एंड देन फोर्थ वाज रितेश. ही वाज आल्सो अबाउट टू एग्जिट ओनली, बट
You raised funding of 1.25 crores even before you started your business. What's the thing that you did to crack 100x VC fund?
रेस्टोरेंट में भी हम जो सौंफ खाते हैं, इट्स लाइक 70% इज शुगर एंड 30% इज सौंफ. हमारी शादी में मेरी जिद पे मैंने यश को बताया ये प्रोडक्ट हम रिटर्न गिफ्ट में सबको देंगे, तो हमने ये प्रोडक्ट सबको दिया. एंड द रिस्पॉन्स विच वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम द फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज, इट वाज सुपर्ब. इवन वी वर शॉक्ड कि ये कुछ तो नया हो रहा है हमारे साथ.
I wouldn't buy a mukhwas. Maybe in Gujarat and Rajasthan, there's a culture of having mukhwas, but not in all places. So do you think that awareness about these products actually inspires or maybe attract Gen Z, or maybe the crowd who are literate or want to read labels, like you said that you use natural sugars or you try to use dates or maybe brown sugar or jaggery?
अगर आप मार्केट साइज देखोगे तो ये इंडिया में मोर देन 1.2 बिलियन मार्केट है और ग्लोबली इट्स मोर देन 10,000 करोड़ का मार्केट, विच इज ग्रोइंग 10% ईयर ऑन ईयर.
This glamorized branding of mukhwas can actually make people want to buy it.
I think product anybody can copy. It's not like a rocket science जिसको कोई copy नहीं कर सकता है, but the branding and the brand language is what we are good at.
What do you suggest to people who actually aspire to go to Shark Tank? What prep should they do?
I think
So today we have with us a very special guest, founder of Joy Spoon, which is emerging mouth freshener startup and one of the coolest FMCG brands that have come up recently. So welcome Vishali.
thank you.
Welcome to the Hustle Her show. You have a background of working in fashion industry previously. You worked with Tarun Tahiliani, and your co-founder Yash had a corporate background, and both of you are life partners. And so it's a very different thing to jump into the world of business. So how did that thought come up?
So to start with, we both are from Pali, Rajasthan. It's a small town near Jodhpur. So we did our schooling from there only. We are childhood friends. We dated for 12 years actually. And mukhwas was like, I did fashion designing because it was my passion. I did BB along with the fashion designing. I worked with Tarun Tahiliani for 2 years. But COVID happened. I was all free, nothing to do because everybody was at home, nothing to do. So Yash also after his CA, he started a FMCG startup named as FarmSay, in which he used to do everything organic, natural products. So he was like, why don't you join me, because you have nothing to do because of the COVID. So I thought, yeah, let's try something. I'm all free, what to do? So I've started working with him. It was all new for me. Coming from a fashion background to a FMCG, it was all new for me. I loved what he was doing. People are going towards organic, natural products and everything. So yeah, after 6-7 months I worked with him. I thought, let's work with him only because we are knowing each other from past so many years and it's a good market altogether. So yeah, we started working and eventually everything happens. So mukhwas was a part of our segment in FarmSay as well. So doing 100 of products, 100 of SKUs, we thought why not we target one particular segment, because my mom and my nani used to make mukhwas at home because we are from a small town. Rajasthan में सब लोग घर पे बनाने का बहुत कुछ ट्रेडिशन है. एंड हम लोग बाहर पढ़े तो मम्मी नानी हमेशा मुझे वो मुखवास और वो सब प्रोडक्ट्स घर से बना कर देते थे बिकॉज बाहर ये सब मिलता नहीं था, फुल ऑफ प्रिजर्वेटिव शुगर वाला मिलता था जो हमको नहीं पसंद था, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. सो हमने ये प्रोडक्ट हमारे साथ रहा और यश को मैं जानती थी तो मैं उसको पास ऑन करती रहती थी ये प्रोडक्ट. तो हम दोनों को बहुत पसंद था. देन हमारी शादी में मेरी जिद पे मैंने यश को बताया ये प्रोडक्ट हम रिटर्न गिफ्ट में सबको देंगे बिकॉज वाई नॉट, इफ़ यू हैव समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. तो हमने ये प्रोडक्ट सबको दिया. And the response which we have got from the friends and families, it was superb. Like even we were shocked कि ये कुछ तो नया हो रहा है हमारे साथ. तो then I have like शादी के बाद हम लोग को था अब कुछ तो करना है. We are already doing FarmSay. It was a profitable venture. तो हमने सोचा why not let's try this, because हम लोग exhibitions भी करते थे तो हम लोग मुखवास एक प्रोडक्ट सेगमेंट रखते थे. काफ़ी लोगों को इतना इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था बिकॉज दिवाली पे भी लोग आते थे चलाकर हमारे पास कि हम लोग मिठाई और स्वीट्स तो सबको देते हैं, वाई नॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज ये कुछ डिफरेंट भी है, इसका शेल्फ लाइफ भी है, ये लोग हमेशा अपने टेबल पे रखेंगे बिकॉज मिठाई आई डोंट नो कब तक वो रहेगा घर में, पास ऑन हो जाता है. तो हमने सोचा लेट्स डू द रिसर्च एंड एवरीथिंग. वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग रिसर्च. हमको लगा काफ़ी मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वी हैव अ गुड प्रोडक्ट, so we have thought and we've started Joy Spoon in last year, October 2023.
Great. And did that thought ever occur that since mukhwas is a product which is a very like cluttered market, right?
Agreed.
So it is not a usual product. People don't usually sell mukhwas. FMCG brands who are already doing other products usually add that category. So how did you solve that thing? Like where did it click that yes, this is going to work?
I think मुखवास हर कोई खाता है, हर किसी के आफ्टर मील के बाद एक कुछ तो मंचिंग के लिए चाहिए होता है या फिर जस्ट टू रिफ्रेश द माउथ तो चाहिए होता है. क्लटर्ड है मार्केट, दैट्स द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो, बिकॉज काफ़ी अभी भी मार्केट में अगर आप मुखवास देखोगे तो वो प्लास्टिक की थैली में मिलता है, कोई भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है उस पर, कोई भी FSSAI, कोई भी डिटेल्स नहीं है कब कहाँ बना है कहाँ पे नहीं बना है. तो यही अपॉर्चुनिटी हमको दिखा कि यार ये काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी तो है ही मार्केट में जो लोग इतने टाइम से ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. सो व्हाई नॉट टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज हर किसी को प्रोडक्ट तो चाहिए ही, बट वो प्रोडक्ट लोगों को मिल नहीं रहा है जिस कंडीशन में उनको मिलना चाहिए. इवन आप जाओगे रेस्टोरेंट के बारे भी, रेस्टोरेंट में भी हम जो सौंफ खाते हैं इट्स लाइक 70% इज शुगर एंड 30% इज सौंफ. जो हम लोग को भी मम्मी और नानी मना करते एक लिमिट के बाद खाने से, क्योंकि इतना शक्कर है उसमें. और जो हमारे पास इतना अच्छा मार्केट प्रोडक्ट है, प्रोडक्ट फिट है, और जब अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बिकॉज मार्केट कितना बड़ा है, बिकॉज अगर आप मार्केट साइज देखोगे तो ये इंडिया में मोर देन 1.2 बिलियन मार्केट है और ग्लोबली इट्स मोर देन 10,000 करोड़ का मार्केट विच इज ग्रोइंग 10% ईयर ऑन ईयर. सो वी थॉट we have the good product, why not to focus on product and build a category, and we want to become one of the India's like a mouth freshener brand, to be very frank.
Yeah, so you thought that was the gap you could leverage upon.
Yeah.
And as mukhwas, as the main hero of your company, like did you ever think to add more categories, or you thought that no, this niche will actually work, and this is like, do you believe that selecting one niche for starting a brand works better than having a wide range of products?
I think start with a niche, because in FAMSE we used to do 150 products. Of course, focusing on every product is not possible.
Yeah.
If we have a one niche where we can like think of, we can do much more better than doing 100 of products. So we thought, why not focus on a product and build a category?
Yeah.
And then might be we can in future we can add more products to it, because our brand name is Joy Spoon. It's not like telling we are just the mouth freshener or mukhwas brand. Of course, in future we can add more categories, like we can say trail mix, we can even also add dry fruits, we can add amla kind of a thing. So of course it's open ended, but as of now we want to focus on mukhwas and mouth fresh.
So from a business point of view, selecting one niche actually helps building a brand.
Of course, any day. After a certain period of time, you can of course add many products and many categories or SKUs in it. But first, you have to build a brand to focus on the niche, and then build a bigger version of your company where you can add much more line of products in it.
That's a very great thought actually. And on the same line, I wanted to ask that there are a lot of mukhwas brands in the market who are only selling mukhwas, and some might be as good quality as yours. So what makes Joy Spoon stand out? Like how do you stand out in the market, and what do you say your USP is?
So of course there are so many brands in the market, but if I ask you just name few, you must be knowing one or two brand to be specific, because वो अभी भी मुखवास वो normal जैसे मैंने बताया प्लास्टिक की पैकेजिंग में मिलता है, बिकॉज देयर इज नो प्रॉपर ब्रांडिंग ऑफ द मुखवास इन द मार्केट. ट्रेडिशनल प्लेयर्स है, एंड ये प्रोडक्ट इतना मॉडर्न है, हम लोग जिसको हम एक ब्रांड बनाना चाहते हैं, सो पीपल कैन एसोसिएट विद अस. आई कैन से हम लोग का यूएसपी इज ऑफ कोर्स द प्रोडक्ट, वेर इन वी आर नॉट एडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, फ्लेवर्स. इट्स मोर अबाउट मिक्सचर ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट, सीड्स, नट बेस्ड. एंड दिस second is our packaging and the brand language. So our packaging is all about the little moment of joy. On our each bottle, if you see, it's telling a story.
Yeah.
So we want to build a brand जो लोगों को अपनी अपनी छोटी छोटी खुशियों का हिस्सा बनाना चाहती है. That is what our brand tagline is, and what we are telling our people to. It's of course not just the मुखवास है तो मुखवास वो normal मुखवास नाम लिखा हुआ है. It's not like that. We want to build a story जहाँ लोग हमको associate कर सकते. एक joy मिलना चाहिए लोगों को खाने के बाद. So that is what we are trying to do.
So from what I am understanding, you really went right with positioning your product in the market
True.
and doing branding, right? So do you think that telling stories, it makes a difference? Do you think?
Of course, people can associate us.
Yeah.
बिकॉज अगर वही नॉर्मल नेम रहेगा, सिर्फ एक नाम दे दिया कुछ भी XYZ, पीपल विल नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज के क्या था. वो एक ब्रांड का अपीलिंग कलर्स, द लुक एंड फील ऑफ द पैकेज ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन फ्यूचर, बिकॉज वो लोगों को देख के लगेगा हाँ ये तो ब्रांड देखा है कहीं. वो दूर से ही पैकेजिंग देख के पीपल कैन एसोसिएट व्हाट वी आर एंड हु वी आर.
So your brand is a very good example of how a traditional product can actually get into proper branding and marketing and establishing themselves as a very good brand.
I think product anybody can copy. It's not like a rocket science जिसको कोई copy नहीं कर सकता है, but the branding and the brand language is what we can say we are good at.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
And how much is if let's get into numbers, how much is the average profit margin in the Mukhwas product range, like in market generally?
So I think if you say it's 70% of GM is what Mukhwas segment is, but ours is a little higher because we are not using normal traditional ingredients. Because आप देखोगे 200 रुपये में, अगर 150 रुपये में जो नॉर्मल मुखवास का बॉटल मिलता है जिसमें 70% ऑफ शक्कर है, और शक्कर का प्राइस देखोगे तो इट्स 40 रुपीज़ अ केजी. एट द सेम टाइम हम लोग का प्राइस इज अराउंड 200-250, in which we are adding dry fruits, we are adding alternative to normal white sugar, which is like a coconut sugar, we are using dates, which is like 3 times higher than the normal raw sugar ka price.
Yeah.
So price wise we are like 30-40% higher, but at the same time we are giving a good quality of ingredients other than the normal market. You can say that जो normal market मिलता है, normal fennel seeds with the sugar and the color is what we usually get in the market.
So you are a funded startup, and I think you raised funding of 1.25 crores even before you started your business. What's the thing that you did to crack that 100x VC startup fund, and what do you suggest to the aspiring startup founders who are looking to raise funds from the venture capital?
So it was all by luck. Actually, we were not looking for the funds. We thought even the Joy Spoon was not launched before we got the fund from 100x. So we had an idea because farm से में हम लोग ये products कर रहे थे, and हमने सोचा let's try. It's a online form है जो fill करना है. We filled a form. हमने एक दो हम लोग का ऑनलाइन मीटिंग हुआ. Then they have called us to the Bombay for the offline meeting and everything. We went to Bombay. It was a good 2-day का conversation between us. They loved the product. They loved the founders, because of course founders पे investor bet करते हैं, and product अच्छा था, founders उनको काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, and opportunity थी कैटेगरी में. तो हम लोग गए, हमने काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कशन किया. जॉय स्पून ब्रांड लॉन्च नहीं था. दे वर लाइक Farmse's name is not justifying what you guys want to do. So we thought of course हम लोग को भी brand name change करना है. We are looking for the same, but of course we need time and everything, because एकदम से आज सुबह उठ के सोचा कि भाई मुखवास में जाना है तो we cannot change the name. They helped us a lot. हमने सोचा इतना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, क्यों नहीं इसको फोकस करे जाए, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो लविंग द प्रोडक्ट. काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कशंस हुआ. विद इन 2 days like they were like we want to like give you funds, and we were like shocked कि भाई हमने इतना, we were not even prepared for that. We got the funds, and within a month's time we have launched the brand, because उन लोग का एक meet होता है जहाँ पे they will be showcasing our products after a month. उन लोग का एक offline investors का meet होता है. We launched our brand Joy Spoon. Fundraise करना is good, but if you are capable of showing your energy, your passion, if you have the energy towards what you guys are doing, you have एक vision है, अगर आपका अगर passion है तो of course you can build it. And वो होना चाहिए if you are raising a fund. Because पैसा लेना is everybody can do it. Friends and family से ले सकते हो, but उसको build करना is also a thing which you should do it if you are taking money from outside.
Understood.
Yeah.
So initially, as you were mentioning, that your investors suggested that you should rebrand your name especially for this category. So was initially Mukhwas meant to go for Farmse?
So Farmse में we were like Farmse में we have already thought of we don't want to do everything which we were doing. So हमने Mukhwas हमने एक segment already we were planning to do. हमने उसके काफ़ी रिसर्च कर लिया था एंड वी वर पुशिंग मुखवास ओनली इन फार्मसा ऑल्सो दैट टाइम. तो वो मुखवास को काफ़ी हमने रिसर्च किया, उसका काफ़ी समझा कि अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मार्केट इतना बड़ा है, अभी ब्रांड्स नहीं हैं, तो वाई नॉट वी कैन फोकस ऑन. उसको ही बिल्ड करते एंड वी थॉट ऑफकोर्स फार्मसा वाज नॉट द थिंग इज वी वेयर आवर ब्रांड टी शर्ट वेर एवर वी गाइज गो. सो पीपल, हम लोग को लोग आके पूछते थे ये आपका फार्मसा ये क्या है, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स फार्मसा नेम वॉज नॉट जस्टिफाइंग वॉट वी गाइज आर डूइंग. तो हमको भी एक पॉइंट पे लगा कि यार ब्रांड नेम तो कुछ अलग होना चाहिए जिससे पीपल हमको एसोसिएट कर सके. तो हमको ब्रांड नेम तो चेंज करना ही था एंड 100x का फंडिंग आ गया, तो हमने वही काम जो 4 महीने बाद होना चाहिए वो हमने 1 महीने में कर दिया. इज व्हाट आई कैन से दैट.
Yeah. And since we are on the topic of investments, so apart from the money that you get from VCs, do they actually help you network? Do they actually help you with the mentorship and everything? Because these are the questions that generally people have.
True.
That, you know, a lot of people have money, but they still go for VC funds
True.
because they somehow help them with the market. So, what kind of help did you get from your VCs? One. Second, like, does it actually make a difference when you take fund from your VC, or bootstrap businesses, you think, can be, you know, grown at the same pace?
I think of course funding is what we've been required in FMCG because अभी इतना marketing करना है. If we want to compete in the market, we want to do a lot of branding, lot of marketing. क्विक कॉम पे आना तो वी हैव टू पुश, वी हैव टू डू द बैनर्स, वी हैव टू डू द एडवर्टीजमेंट. बूटस्ट्रैप से भी कर सकते हैं, बट जो हेल्प इन्वेस्टर्स से मिलता है, द नेटवर्क विच वी गेट फ्रॉम देम, द काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज, द काइंड ऑफ हेल्प, इवन यू कैन से दैट जो हम लोग को 100x VC में देयर इज लाइक अ 25 days का सेशन विथ वेर इन वी हैव टू गो टू बॉम्बे एंड वी हैव टू अटेंड ऑल द क्लासेस, जिसमें हमको काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. वी हैव टू मीट सो मैनी न्यू पीपल्स, वी हैव टू मीट गुड पीपल्स जो हमको हेल्प करता है ब्रांड को बिल्ड करने में. तो आई थिंक इन्वेस्टर्स VC से पैसा लेने में हेल्प भी उतना ही मिलता है जो अपने को 10x ग्रो करने में काफ़ी हेल्प करता है. एक आपका नेटवर्क है जिससे आप हेल्प करोगे. once you get a help from the VCs, because उनके पास 100 people का network होता है जिससे हमको जल्दी help मिल सकती है. तो that of course helps a lot in building a brand and pushing the brand to grow faster.
Okay. And what kind of sessions do you usually get, like the sessions that you were talking about? Is it mostly about business, strategizing, marketing, brand building?
Yeah, it is all about branding, marketing, where to go, what not to do, how to build a team, where to invest money in, how to use money. ऐसा नहीं कि पैसा आ गया तो आप कहीं पे भी उड़ाओ उसको. It should be a planned way. जो काफ़ी कुछ they help us to like figure it out. Of course पैसा आ गया है तो चालू कर दिया उड़ाना is not the right way. You have to plan and you have to execute accordingly. Is what they help us in.
Yeah. And since you just mentioned that, you know, there should be the right investment of money after you receive the funding.
Right.
So explain us like a rough, you know, breakup of money after receiving the investment. Let's say if I as a founder receive an investment of around 1 crore.
Okay.
How do you think I should divide my money and invest? Like, what are the areas I should invest the most in, and what are the places I should not, you know, waste my money at all? For the viewers or for the founders who actually want to, you know, invest, just a little guide for them.
So in our case, once we got the fund, we did the branding. So हम लोग का पहले जो branding था, it was very normal. We want to build a brand जिससे लोग हमको associate कर सके. So we thought before doing anything, let's build a brand, and we did the branding. Like we took 3-4 months, and then we started spending the money. अगर हम लोग day 1 से spend करने लग जाते हैं, जब तक हमारा brand ही form नहीं होता, like the branding which we wanted, it of course वो 4 महीने का जो पैसा हम बंद करते was not like help us. So हमने वो जो पैसा after 4 months utilize किया, that helps a lot. हमने 4 महीने में काफ़ी उसको ब्रांड को जैसा हमको लुक एंड फील चाहिए था, जो हम चाहते थे कि हम लोग की ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग हो, वी डिड दैट वे. एंड देन ऑफकोर्स टीम बिल्डिंग पे पैसा यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आइडिया है, प्रोडक्ट है, सब कुछ है. अगर टीम ही नहीं होगी तो व्हाट विल यू गाइज डू? विदाउट टीम ऑफकोर्स नथिंग कैन बी डन. हम दो कितना कर लेंगे इज़ नॉट everything we cannot do, that is of course not possible for us. So team building पे पैसा invest करो, then do marketing जहाँ जहाँ पे required है, do exhibitions because exhibition से काफ़ी help करता है लोगों को, like at the अगर आप exhibition में जा रहे हो you can reach thousands of people at a one go, rather than आप Instagram से जाते हो people will take time, people will trust build करना ज़रूरी है लोगों को, because Instagram से there are so many brands जिसको अभी भी बिलीव नहीं होता है, तो आई थिंक एग्जीबिशंस हेल्प्स अ लॉट. तो हमने एग्जीबिशंस में उन्होंने बोला काफ़ी आप यू कैन लाइक यू डू एग्जीबिशन बिकॉज एफएमसीजी में काफ़ी एग्जीबिशंस होते हैं, लाइक लिटिल फ्ली काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग और लाइक अ स्मॉल पॉपअप्स इज व्हाट, इवन लाइक होटल्स में वी पुश्ड आवर प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज वो एक राइट सेगमेंट है हमारे प्रोडक्ट के लिए. तो वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ स्मॉल सैशेज जो हमको ब्रांडिंग में काफ़ी हेल्प करता है. तो वे यूटिलाइज आवर मनी इन लाइक दीज काइंड ऑफ अ डूइंग मार्केटिंग काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. बिल्डिंग ब्रांड नीड्स मार्केटिंग, और मार्केटिंग में कौन कौन से चैनल्स पे कहाँ पे यूटिलाइज करना इज ऑल्सो व्हाट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. तो हमने क्विक कॉमर्स चैनल्स हुए या फिर अमेजोन हुआ, बिकॉज हम लोग वी वर नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन अमेजोन दैट टाइम. सो वी स्टार्टेड ऑन अमेजोन, वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑन अमेजोन, वो हमने किया. ऑफलाइन स्टोर हम करने का प्लान करे थे, बट बिकॉज दे हैव सजेस्टेड कि ऑफलाइन इज नॉट नीडेड एज ऑफ नाउ बिकॉज पीपल आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स ऑनलाइन मार्केट. So build online market and then do the offline market.
Yeah.
Because that will help you guys a lot, because once your brand is available, people को idea मिल जाएगा कि आपका brand हर जगह देखा है, तो of course वो एक बार में आपका प्रोडक्ट उठा लेंगे अगर ऑफलाइन मार्केट में मिलेगा तो. you guys should build a brand online and then go to the offline. Like in our mind we wanted to do offline and then online. Yeah. So I think that helps a lot because वो इन्वेस्टर का आइडिया था, हमको भी काफ़ी उन्होंने हेल्प किया कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते हो. तो आई थिंक वो सब में भी काफ़ी उन्होंने हमको हेल्प किया और उसकी वजह से आज हम लोग ऑनलाइन हर चैनल्स पे अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं.
Understood. So as you said that after getting investment, the first thing that any brand should work upon is hiring talent first, so that the team can actually start building upon, you know, the brand and strategizing for the market. And second, what you said was actually marketing in the right place. Coming upon the second part of the answer that you explained, that do you think that online market is actually dominating the offline market right now? Like, do you think that actually people who buy physically from physical stores actually get influenced by online stores or maybe websites or social media?
I think अभी everybody is too focused toward online because हर ब्लिंकिट 10 मिनट में अगर चीज़ घर पे आ रही है तो वाई शुड वी गो वेस्ट आर टाइम, वेस्ट आर एनर्जी एंड गेट द प्रोडक्ट्स. बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स अगर आप एक प्रोडक्ट लेने जा रहे हो तो आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक प्लेस पे मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे, यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ. एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग दिस ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन विद इन 10 minutes, वाई नॉट? बिकॉज इवन लाइक आई ऑर्डर एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन बिकॉज नहीं पता रहता है मुझे क्या चाहिए, कब चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए. अगर मुझे 10 मिनट में मिल रहा है सेम प्रोडक्ट सेम प्राइस पे तो वाई नॉट. एंड अभी ट्रेंड ऐसा आ गया है कि एवरीबडी इज ऑर्डरिंग एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन. अगर
कॉमर्स
या सब्जी भी ऑर्डर करनी है तो ब्लिंकिट है ना 10 मिनट में आ रहा है, बिग बास्केट है ना ग्रॉसरी ऑर्डर करनी है कल मिल जाएगा, कल घर पे आ जाएगा, तो वाई नॉट. एंड आई थिंक द ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग इज गोइंग वेरी फास्ट कंपेयर टू द ऑफलाइन. And within, of course, 10 days or a day delivery time will help a lot in coming days or in coming like years, we can say that.
So we can say that in FMCG, quick commerce is something that can be tabbed when it comes to unusual products. Right?
Agreed.
Let's say, you know, everything is being sold in Blinkit or Zepto or Big Basket, but any product that is new in the category, or maybe has a, you know, bigger hold in the market, or maybe branded good in the market, can actually have a bigger leverage on quick commerce websites than a traditional product.
I think quick com, like you can say quick com pe we get to know so many new brands. Of course we get options also. Suppose I want to buy X product from X brand, but if I'm getting Y product, if I'm getting X product from Y brand, why should I not choose options from? Because if I'm getting options at the same time, अगर मुझे प्राइस डिफरेंस है, क्वालिटी डिफरेंस है, तो वाई शुड आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लोर द ऑप्शंस. ऑफ कोर्स तो ऑप्शंस एक्सप्लोर करने को मिलता है. वी गेट टू नो सो मैनी न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, वी गेट टू नो सो मैनी न्यू brands of course, and within a day's time or within few minutes में अगर product आ जाता है तो of course people should, like, the quick commerce is what is going to boost or going to like have the whole market opportunity now.
Yeah.
And Amazon, even the Flipkart, if I give you the example, Flipkart 10 minutes launch कर दिया
Yeah, recently, yes.
हाँ, because now they also know कि हर किसी को जल्दी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, because now nobody plans for the future.
Yeah.
किसी को नहीं पता होता है कि क्या कब चाहिए होगा.
Yeah.
तो I believe quick commerce is the right platform, is the right channel you guys should have, and of course उस पे list होना is not that easy, but if you have patience enough, if you want कि, for example, I can give you my example only. We were trying कि हम लोग को quick commerce पे list होना है from past 6 months. But of course it was not that easy for us. And now we have cracked all the channels because we were there कि हमको करना ही है, कैसे भी करना ही है. Because people were, these guys were not even answering. They were taking it very lightly because उनके पास भी इतना bandwidth नहीं है, because dark stores में इतने products रखना भी is also a challenge for them.
Yeah.
So it took 6 months of time in our case, but now we will be live on all the channels, will help a lot compared to the offline or the normal online channels like Amazon and the Flipkart. I would suggest कि brand को quick commerce पे list होना चाहिए. Even if they are taking time, just wait for the right time. Of course, everything will happen. Whatever happens for the good. So अगर time ले रहा है तो no problem. Just take it, go patiently. Everything will happen at the correct time. Yeah.
Okay. And this generation who are ready to, spend a little extra for the delivery, but do not like to pre-plan about the groceries and stuff, as you mentioned. So do you think that even for a traditional product like yours, Mukhwas, the major customer base is Gen Z? Because most of the people who right now are shopping from Blinkit or quick commerce are Gen Zs.
Agreed. I think it's not about Gen Zs. Our product is consumed by everybody. Like घर पे छोटा बच्चा हो, बड़ा हो, बूढ़े हो, पापा हो, दादा हो, सब लोग खाते हैं ये प्रोडक्ट. एंड ये प्रोडक्ट नॉर्मली बाय करते हैं, आई कैन से 20-25 प्लस एज वाले प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज छोटे बच्चों को इतना फिर भी दे आर नॉट हैबिचुअल कि कहाँ पे मिलेगा. एंड ना इवन माई पेरेंट्स वॉन्ट्स कि भाई बेटा तुम 10 ये आ रहा है तो तुम ऑर्डर कर दो ना ऑनलाइन. ठीक है, वो 10 वी आर ओके टू पे डिलीवरी चार्जेस, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी आर नॉट wasting our energy. We are not going out of the house. We are there in our own comfort zone, and then we are getting the product. Why not to pay extra 50-100 rupees for the delivery?
Yeah.
Is what everybody is okay with. Yeah. And I think now तो घर में everybody is like okay and everybody is familiar कि सब कुछ आ जाता है online, तो parents भी बच्चों को बोल के order करवा ही लेते हैं.
Yeah. So you mean that the new generation, the younger generation actually drives sales through their older generation or the parents.
Parents, agreed.
Okay. And moving in the same lines of investment, you recently received very good funding from Oyo founder Ritesh Agarwal on Shark Tank. Tell us everything about your Shark Tank journey. And how did you, crack the funding? And how was the experience?
Shark Tank, of course, name says you got everything, because उस पे काफ़ी help हो जाता है, and getting the funding from the right investor is what. And हमको एक था mind में कि हमको either Ritesh is a right fit for us, because he is from a same kind of, like, he's also coming from a small town.
Yeah.
He's also of our same age. He helps the brand a lot.
Yeah.
So, to start with, of course, Shark Tank was also, like, I can say, a big achievement for us.
Yeah.
Even it's like an online procedure था. We thought, let's try. Why not? अगर product है, सब कुछ है, try करते हैं. We never know, because काफ़ी लोग उस पर more than 1 lakh people like do this thing. हमने भी form fill किया. We crossed one level. It was the basic. उसमें आपको basic details डालना था. In the second level, it was a detailed, but it was again an online form. We did that too. And after the third round is like a physical round, wherein uska Sony ka team takes the interview of the product and the basic, they have the procedure to follow. So went to Bombay for the third round. It was again very good. People loved the product. people love the packaging, the founder, the team and everything. And जब like after third round उन्होंने बोला था कि we will get to know within a month's time. We were like ठीक है. And around Diwali we got the mail that you guys have selected for the Shark Tank final round, like the final tank वाला episode. We guys like 10 days के पहले ही we got the mail कि भाई आपको 10 दिन बाद आना है and you have to be there for 5 days because उनका भी प्रोसीजर होता है, they help a lot कैसे आपको प्रेजेंट करना है, वहाँ पे जाके रहना होता है. We were like टाइम इतना कम है, इतना जल्दी सब कुछ हो रहा है. दिवाली इज ऑल्सो अराउंड द कॉर्नर, इट्स अ फेस्टिव सीजन बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स गिफ्टिंग का सीजन था. We were like कैसे सब कुछ मैनेज होगा, बिकॉज लाइक ठीक है चलो देखते हैं वॉट एवर विल हैपन. ऑफकोर्स शार्क टैंक इज अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी, वी हैव टू गो. We guys went. We guys were very nervous because इतने पब्लिक के सामने ये जाने वाला है. शार्क टैंक और टैंक के जो इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं, शार्क्स होते हैं, उनके सामने कैसे रहेगा. वी लाइक वो काफ़ी नर्वसनेस था बट एक्साइटमेंट भी उतना ही था बिकॉज शार्क टैंक पे जा रहे हैं हम. वी गाइज वेंट. 2 दिन हम लोग का रिहर्सल चला एंड द थर्ड डे वॉज द मेन शूट डे. वी गाइज वेंट इन द टैंक, पिच किया, 1.5 आवर का हम लोग का कॉन्वर्सेशन था. Every shark loved the product, they loved the packaging, they guys loved the energy of ours, like me and Yash, of course, the founders and the team. सबसे पहले अमन आउट हुआ because of few of his points. Then अनुपम आउट हुआ, then नमिता आउट हुई and we were like अब तो यार ऑलमोस्ट 3 आउट हो गए, अब कैसे होगा. we guys were very nervous कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा, we have to get the deal कैसे भी करके now. And then fourth was Ritesh. We asked for 40 lakhs for 1.5% was our ask. And he was also about to exit only, but he had few questions कि ये मार्केट काफ़ी बड़ा है बट तुम लोग का प्राइस पॉइंट है वो इट्स लिटिल हाई, बट आप लोग कैसे मार्केट को ग्रैब करोगे. एंड वी वर लाइक वी हैव दैट मच ऑफ एनर्जी एंड वी आर कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग एवरीथिंग एंड वी कन्विंस्ड हिम. वो आउट होते तो ही वॉज लाइक कि मुझे आउट होना था बट you guys have changed my mind. And like उसने हमको, and he was like I'll give 40 lakhs for 2%. We guys were like if he's giving us a good deal, of course we were okay to negotiate. Of course जो हमने मांगा है वो नहीं मिलेगा, थोड़ा negotiation होगा ही. हुआ काफ़ी. We guys like कि नहीं काफ़ी अच्छा उससे आस्क आया है and we guys are okay with, and हमको इतना अच्छा शार्क मिल रहा है जो of course he will help us a lot. We guys were okay. And then Piyush was also interested, but he was like कि अगर आपको already अच्छा deal मिल गया रितेश से तो I think I won't be able to match the ask. And he was also then out. And we got the deal. We have met Ritesh after the tank, like after our shoot. We have met him personally for like 15-20 minutes का this thing. He loved the product. He was like, he's having a brand जहाँ पे they do weddings, like a large number of weddings they do. So he was like I'll help you to push your product in all the weddings because ये product हर किसी को चाहिए होता है. wedding के लिए it's a right fit. Hotels में of course he will help us. And he has a good amount of, you can say, like networking the market and everything. So I think we got the right founder, we got the right shark. He is helping us a lot now to build the brand to the next level. And I think we guys are lucky enough to get Ritesh as a shark with us in our brand to build it to the another level, we can say that.
Okay, great. What do you suggest to people who actually aspire to go to Shark Tank? What prep should they do?
I think you should know what you want to do, how do you want to do, and what your product is. It's all about you and your brand. They invest in the founders. And of course, प्रोडक्ट फिट होना चाहिए. वॉट यू गाइज आर डूइंग इट शुड बी देयर, बट जितना आप में पैशन है, जितना आप में लाइक यू आर पैशनेट, आई थिंक दैट इज़ वॉट हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन गोइंग for any investment. I can say that, not just the Shark Tank, but for any investment.
Along with the right product and market fit product, they see that
the founder में कितना passion है.
Yeah.
If these guys are capable of doing or not. अगर if they are like उनको कैसे भी करना है तो of course it can be done. आपको अगर है कि भाई मुझे कुछ भी कितना भी ups and down आ जाए, if you have a vision कि हाँ कैसे भी हो ही जाएगा, तो of course everything can be done. And that is what investors look after.
So they above everything. They look for the grit in founders.
Of course.
So about managing businesses, there are a lot of times it happens that the biggest drift happens when founders or co-founders do not align or they are not in the same page. But I think that's not the case with you, because your co-founder is your life partner as well. He's your husband, Yash.
Right.
So tell me a little bit about that. Like, how does that partnership work? Because running a business, it is a 24/7 thing. It takes up 90% of your life, right?
Agreed.
I can say 100%. But little bit that you're left with, your personal space, how do you like keep those two things separate, one? And how do you keep everything sane when it comes to taking business decisions as well? Because the person who is involved, your co-founder, is your life partner. So how do you manage that? Have you cracked it? Are you still cracking it? How do you do it?
So in our case, I think we guys are knowing each other from past 10-12 years. So there's a trust factor which is there between us because we guys are knowing each other from so many years. And of course, I think in our case, we guys are there 24/7 together only. अगर काम से जा रहे हैं तो भी we are in the same office. Even we are going outside, we are again we both are there. तो in our case, I think वो manage कभी-कभी होता है और कभी-कभी of course frustrations होता है because business और personal life involve हो ही जाता है कितना भी आप करो. But in our case, I can say with the business, दोनों हमको like everything is for us only at the end. If we are doing anything, if we are doing business, this is also for us. Even if we are chilling and everything, this is also for us. So at the same time, how do we manage this? If we are going out for a meeting, we try, and what we do is, like recently we went to Bangalore for a 2-3 days ka meeting ke liye. So we took 2 another days to chill. Yeah. So at the same time we can balance our life. Because अगर सिर्फ बिजनेस के लिए ही भागते रहे तो पर्सनल को टाइम देना चाहिए और पर्सनल को टाइम देने के लिए बिजनेस को भी ध्यान देना चाहिए. तो वी ट्राई एंड वी प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली कि हम लोग दोनों को 50-50% बैलेंस कर ले. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम दोनों में इतना ट्रस्ट है एंड ही लुक्स आफ्टर हिज सेगमेंट, आई लुक आफ्टर माई सेगमेंट. सो ऑफ कोर्स वो भी दोनों के बीच में बैलेंस हो जाता है. इफ वी आर इन्वॉल्व इन द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ थिंग तो कभी ऑफ कोर्स बिजनेस है, लाइफ पार्टनर है, तो कुछ ना कुछ अप्स एंड डाउन्स होता ही है सब किसी को. बट वो बैलेंसिंग मैनेजिंग करना, इट्स व्हाट हेल्प्स अस. लाइक फर्स्ट इज ट्रस्ट एंड सेकंड इज गिविंग बिजनेस एज अ सेपरेट entity and personal life as a separate entity. So that helps a lot in balancing both the things.
Yeah. So what part do you manage and what part does Yash manage? I want to know.
So he looks after finance, he looks after investor meets, he looks after B2B business model, and at the same time I look after B2C, I look after product curations, and I look after marketing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So about B2B, business to business and direct to customer model, what do you think is easier to crack? Like, do you think that business to business is easier, less hassle, and like once you crack a deal, like you're sorted for months? It's what my curiosity is. So what do you think is better? Or like customer satisfaction, direct to customer selling or retail selling is what you find easier?
I think in our case, it's D2C is what good at, because we get to know so many feedbacks from the customer wherein we can help making our product better. Of course, B2B में once you crack the deal, you are sorted कि भाई हमको तो इसको product देना है, they'll do it whatever they want to do it ahead. It's not like that, because at the end वो product भी customer के पास ही जा रहा है. If you have that kind of a customer satisfaction, if you have built the customer or का experience better, that will help us grow faster. So of course both of them are like totally separate, but B2B is also a better we can say that, because at the same time we are reaching thousands of people at the one time.
Yeah.
And of course going direct to customer through website or Amazon, it will take time to grow.
Yeah.
So in our case, like B2B, I can say that cracking hotel ka lead will also help us, because at the same time the product will go to the customer, they'll try the product, they'll come back to us. Balancing both is 100% equal, because B2B is also at the same time important compared to the B2C.
Do you feel that in FMCG, if a brand is successful D2C, so it eventually, drives the success of B2B? Because if your customer is satisfied and a business gets to know about it, so it becomes very easier to crack deals in B2B business.
True. So our focus is the first B2 to build a D2C brand, and then to do like a B2B brand, because we want to build a Joy Spoon as a brand जहाँ लोग हमको associate कर सके. That is what I've told you initially also. So our plan is to make a D2C, like a D2C brand, and then of course go to B2B. But now if we are getting a good response from the B2B channels also, why should we say no?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So of course, building a trust between customer will help us going faster through B2B. I can say that.
Understood.
Yeah.
And somehow it also increases even through businesses, it increases your network of customers. These days in this startup era where, funding sounds so fancy and, everything is too glamorized these days, especially after Shark Tank in India. So what's the one advice you would like to give to all the aspiring startup founders who want to do good in FMCG? One thing that they all should follow. One thing that they should keep in mind before starting a startup, after they've started, so that, they do not make the mistakes that maybe you did while you were, beginning the journey.
Like I'll suggest all the coming founders of the startup, build a good team, because that will help you go faster, bigger, because team is what because of team we are here and we were at the Shark Tank. Because our team nahi hoga, who will help us for the back end, everything is dependent on the people. Of course, we cannot do everything at the same time. Managing business, managing investment, managing product, managing marketing, everything cannot be done by the founders only. So team is what everybody should look upon. And of course, the gratitude. Always praise people, always encourage them is what help you grow smoother and the faster.
Okay. Yeah. So you feel that inculcating a right kind of culture in the team will actually help businesses do good in long term.
Agreed, totally agreed, 100%.
Okay. And while you are talking about developing good culture in the team, what are the measures that you actually take to do that? Like one is praising them and not demotivating them. What can be the other things that can be done for team that will help the company build a solid culture in long time?
I can say that have a day where you guys meet, you guys go out for a chill, just for a vacation kind of a thing. Do a 1 hour a meet with all the team, because of course once team bada hota hai, so you doesn't get time to mix with everybody. Jo packaging staff hota hai, they won't be able to attach with the marketing staff or the the back end kind of a team. I think having a get together, having a party, or just a fun day kind of a thing, or the game night ho gaya ya game party ho gaya, I think that will help to make the team build internally also.
Yeah,
is what helps a lot.
What I would add to here is the same thing that you're talking about. Zomato founder Dipinder Goyal recently mentioned in one of his interviews that if you can, they have this beer test or maybe some drink test where they do this practice of actually going on to drinks with one of the team members to actually bond and gel. So does gelling up with your team or maybe building a better connection with them helps you get better creativity or maybe better output?
100% agreed, because if you have a good bonding with the team, you are sorted. Because everything is dependent. Nothing is if you are okay, you are good at, everything will be done. Of course, everything is dependent, and building a good team with a good bonding is what will help you in the long run.
So one of the few last questions that I had in my mind was that if you were starting right now a new brand, what are the mistakes that you made while starting Joy Spoon that you wouldn't make here? What are the things that people should not do before starting a brand? The whole conversation that we did was about what to do, but let's discuss about what not to do. What are the mistakes that people should be aware of before starting a brand or while doing it?
So in our case, we were like everything we were doing ourselves. Like हमने सोचा ये भी अपन कर लेते हैं, ये भी खुद से कर लेते हैं. We are okay because we are starting. We don't need many people in the team. But after a certain period of time, we realized everything can't be done individually. We guys should have a team who helps us, because team building is what I will suggest anybody to have from the scratch, because people will help you grow faster, is what I will suggest, because that is what we guys have done in our journey. And second is, kitne bhi ups and downs aa jaye, don't think you guys are not capable of.
Yeah.
Because of course life hai, if you guys are starting something, ups and downs aayenge, and otherwise you guys are not able to achieve what you guys want to achieve if everything is like smooth. Ups and downs aayenge. Be passionate about your idea, be passionate about your mind, your business. Everything will be done automatically.
Okay.
So that is what I will give my point of suggestion. डटे रहो, सब कुछ होगा, everything will be done after a point of time, but it will be done 100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you believe that delegation of work as early as possible in a startup
Yeah.
can actually help you grow faster and become bigger
Yeah.
as compared to people who do not build a team soon?
So if we have people who can help us, we can also focus on other part of the ideas. Product है, but market कैसे करना है वो नहीं पता है, तो we should have a team who can help us in growing like marketing. Product है but packaging अच्छा नहीं है, तो we should have a team जो हम लोग को packaging में help करे. Of course we are not like 100% सब कुछ ज्ञान हम में आया है. We should have a people who can help us, and एक सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बाद अपना भी आइडियाज एक पॉइंट तक स्टिक हो जाता है. एंड वी शुड कीप इंगेजिंग, वी शुड नेटवर्क अलॉट से, जिससे हमको भी काफ़ी आइडियाज मिले, एंड विच विल हेल्प यू इन बिल्डिंग योर प्रोडक्ट, योर ब्रांड good, and as well as like I can say like on a what you guys have thought of. Yeah.
And the last question that I have that I wanted to ask you, Vishali, was where do you see Joy Spoon in 5 years? I know this is a very cliche question. I know, I think you probably get this question asked in every pitch, in every investor meeting, in every, to every person you go to. But I really want to know, because I think a founder's vision is what takes the company ahead. Is what takes the organization ahead. Like, what's the next big plan?
So we want Joy Spoon bottle on every table, whether it is a dining table, a conference table, wedding party table. Like, we want to be there in every table of the India or globally. That is what we want to be.
Okay.
To be very short, it's like Joy Spoon on every table is what our dream is.
All right.
Yeah.
Great. So adding up to that, do you believe that since you've rebranded, or maybe not rebranded, but you've sort of glamorized Mukhwas in a way, so do you think that that sort of creates a cult amongst people to actually buy something like a Mukhwas, which normally a Gen Z would not? I wouldn't buy a Mukhwas. Maybe in Gujarat and Rajasthan, there's a culture of having Mukhwas, but not in all places. So, like, do you think that, this glamorized branding of Mukhwas can actually, make people want to buy it and
urge them
get,
to,
like creating a cult is, I think, more of your bigger goal? Because if you create a cult, Joy Spoon being part of every table becomes automatic, right?
Yeah. So yeah, I think our branding helps a lot to attract the people. So after looking at the bottle and the packaging, people wants to buy something and wants to try कि क्या है उसके अंदर.
Yeah.
Because अभी तक जो भी देखा है, it's like a very decent, normal, not up to the mark, I can say that.
Yeah.
and that is what helping us a lot, of course, because of our brand. Because लोगों को पैकिंग देख के लगता है ये कुछ तो है, but क्या है वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. And once they buy, and people are buying, of course, because of our packaging also, and they are loving the product at the same time. So of course the branding and the positioning is helping and will help us a lot in the future to attract the people, and they want to buy the product.
To reach every shelf.
Yeah, to reach every table, I can
to
say
reach
that.
every table. Okay. Great. Before wrapping up this beautiful conversation of ours, I want to do a quick rapid fire round with you.
Okay.
So, describe Joyspoon to us in one single word.
Happiness.
Okay, great. What's easier to crack, B2C or D2C?
D2C.
D2C is easier to crack.
Yeah, for us, of course, because for the prime focus is customer satisfaction.
Yeah.
So we are building a D2C brand initially, and then we will focus on the B2B and the D2C part.
Great. Who's a better negotiator, husband or wife?
Any day, wife.
Okay. One thing you always argue about as co-founders.
Time management.
Okay.
Because as a couple, we always busy doing things related to like a work, not using our personal time, because ऐसा लगता है साथ में ही तो है, ठीक है, चल लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं वैसा.
Okay, great. Pitching to VCs or presenting on Shark Tank, which one was more challenging?
Presenting for Shark Tank is more challenging compared to the VCs.
Okay. First thing that you did after securing your first funding?
FD.
Okay. Work from home or work from office, which one do you think leads to more productivity?
Work from office.
Work from office.
100%.
What's next for Joyspoon in one line?
Seeing on every table. Seeing Joyspoon bottle on every table is what I can say that.
Great. Thank you so much, Vishali. It was lovely having you here.
Same here. It was lovely conversation with you.
Thank you.